Are you standing in the grocery aisle wondering whether that bottle of olive oil is really what the label says it is? You're not alone. The olive oil industry has a transparency problem, and understanding what's actually in the bottle can be surprisingly difficult. Today, we're looking at 15 olive oil brands that often don't meet the standards you'd expect, and I'll share some practical tips on how to identify higher quality options. Let's dive in. 15. Bertolli. Bertolli is one of the most recognized olive oil brands worldwide. However, their products often fail to meet the criteria for true extra virgin olive oil in independent testing. While the label may say extra virgin, the oil inside doesn't always deliver the flavor profile or quality standards associated with that designation. If you're looking for authentic flavor, it's worth exploring other options. 14. Colavita. Colavita has built considerable brand recognition, but there's a gap between marketing and reality. The brand's extra virgin olive oil often contains blends from multiple sources, which can dilute both authenticity and flavor. For those seeking transparency about sourcing and production, Colavita may not provide the clarity you're looking for. 13. Goya. Goya offers an extensive range of food products, including olive oil. However, some of their olive oil offerings don't consistently meet pure extra virgin standards. The oils may include blends with lower-grade varieties, which affects both flavor and the health benefits many consumers are seeking. If quality matters to you, consider brands that focus on single-source, high-quality oils. 12. Pompian. Pompian positions itself as a premium option, yet consumer experiences and testing suggest otherwise. Many users report that their extra virgin olive oil lacks the robust flavor and aroma you'd expect from authentic products. Independent analysis has also revealed inconsistencies in quality. For a genuine olive oil experience, there are more reliable choices available. 11. Kirkland Signature. Costco's Kirkland Signature olive oil appeals to budget-conscious shoppers, and there's nothing wrong with value. However, questions have been raised about whether some varieties contain blends with less expensive oils. While buying in bulk is convenient, it may mean compromising on the quality characteristics serious home cooks look for. 10. Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's has cultivated loyalty across many product categories, including olive oil. That said, quality can be inconsistent across their olive oil selection. Some products don't deliver the authenticity and flavor associated with genuine extra virgin olive oil. If you choose to purchase from Trader Joe's, look carefully at sourcing information and be prepared for variation between batches. 9. Filippo Barrio. Filippo Barrio is a household name, but recognition doesn't always equal quality. Consumer reports often note that their extra virgin olive oil lacks the depth of flavor found in more authentic oils. Additionally, some products don't consistently meet the technical standards for extra virgin classification. For those prioritizing flavor and authenticity, other brands may be worth considering. 8. Carapelli. Carapelli has been a pantry staple for many families, but it's important to understand what you're actually getting. Their extra virgin olive oil often contains blends with other oils, which affects both purity and taste. This Bertolli variant is widely available and familiar to many shoppers, which explains its popularity. However, it typically contains blended oils rather than pure extra virgin. While brand familiarity provides comfort, it doesn't necessarily deliver the authenticity and flavor that olive oil enthusiasts are looking for. 6. Dilallo. Dilallo often appears in the Italian food section and carries that association. Yet their olive oil products don't always live up to extra virgin standards. Testing has shown that some varieties may include lower-grade oils in the blend, affecting overall quality. For consumers seeking transparency and consistency, there are brands that deliver more reliably. 5. Luca Olive Oil. Luca has developed a following, but some consumers report disappointment with flavor and authenticity. Independent testing suggests that not all of their products meet the quality benchmarks for genuine extra virgin olive oil. If you're investing in olive oil for its distinctive taste and benefits, it's worth exploring brands with stronger quality credentials. 4. Wonderfully Raw. Despite its health-focused branding, Wonderfully Raw's olive oil offerings have raised questions. Many consumers notice that the flavor doesn't match what they'd expect from authentic extra virgin olive oil. The gap between marketing and product quality is worth noting if you're particular about what you're using in your cooking. 3. Nature's Own. Nature's own markets itself around health-conscious values, but those don't always extend to their olive oil line. The products often fall short of pure extra virgin standards, and consumers report missing the robust flavor and health properties associated with authentic oils. For those seeking genuine quality, brands with clearer sourcing practices are available. 2. Great value. Walmart's Great Value brand offers accessibility and low prices, which explains its appeal. However, quality often reflects the price point. Many consumers find that Great Value olive oil doesn't deliver the flavor or authenticity expected from genuine extra virgin olive oil. If olive oil quality matters for your cooking, investing a bit more in better sourced options typically pays off. 1. Lindsay. Lindsay built its reputation on olives, but their olive oil products haven't achieved the same quality standards. Consumer feedback consistently notes a lack of the robust flavor and quality characteristics found in authentic extra virgin oils. For the best flavor and health benefits, there are more dedicated olive oil producers worth your attention. How to identify higher quality olive oil? Now that we've covered which brands often fall short, let's talk about how you can make better choices in the olive oil aisle. 1. Read the label carefully. Look for extra virgin and cold pressed on the label. These terms indicate minimal processing and higher quality standards, though they're not foolproof indicators on their own. 2. Check for a harvest date. Freshness matters with olive oil. Quality producers include a harvest date on the label. Generally, you'll want to choose oils harvested within the last year for optimal flavor and nutritional value. 3. Packaging matters. Quality olive oil is typically sold in dark glass bottles that protect the oil from light exposure, which can cause degradation. Clear plastic or glass bottles are often a red flag for lower quality. 4. Taste when possible. If you have the opportunity, sample before buying. Good extra virgin olive oil has a robust, complex flavor with slight bitterness and a peppery finish. If it tastes flat, bland, or overly mild, it likely doesn't meet genuine extra virgin standards. 5. Consider the price. While expensive doesn't always mean better, extremely cheap olive oil is usually a warning sign. Quality production has real costs, so if a price seems unusually low, there's probably a reason. 6. Look for certifications. Certifications from organizations like the North American Olive Oil Association, NOA, or the International Olive Council, IOC, provide some assurance that the oil meets established quality standards. Conclusion: the olive oil market can be confusing to navigate, but understanding which brands consistently fall short helps you make better choices. By being aware of common issues with brands like Bertali, Colavita, and Filippo Barrio, you can avoid disappointment and get better value for your money. As you shop, use these guidelines to identify oils that deliver on quality rather than just marketing. Authentic, well-produced olive oil really does make a difference in your cooking, and now you're better equipped to find it. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and sharing your own experiences with olive oil brands in the comments below. Let's continue the conversation about finding better ingredients for our kitchens.